Hello and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, what I like to do is to create videos that I would have found helpful when I first got out treasure hunting, looking for things like silverware, gold, jewelry, anything that's precious out at garage sales and thrift shops. Today what we have is we have an eBay auction because of my crippling eBay addiction. I'm just going to open it up here with our trusty shears. And we will see what we have today. Probably pins. I really like pins. And I like them for a variety of reasons. If you're new to my channel, you'll... definitely, if you stick around, you'll see me opening a lot of pins. There's a lot of history. And a lot of times, pins are... how should I put it? They're jewelry, obviously, but they also generally had some sort of very specific purpose, commemorating something or noting that we're a part of something. And I always find it fascinating to learn about those somethings, whatever they might have been. So let's see what it was that I decided to purchase here. Dump those out, set this aside. Gonna grab out my trusty magnet. That's the backer to a, oh, what do you call them? A name badge. You know, name badge goes in the front. I just find that it's a handy size to hold my other little neodymium magnets, and it just gives me a nice little handle. The magnet's great because you can very quickly go, is something in here react? Oh. So you can very quickly say, yeah, that's steel or some kind of ferrous metal that is plated, which you can definitely tell just by the look of the back. But you can also go, gold isn't going to react like that to the magnet. All right, what else do we have in here that looks good? What do you think? This looks like it has some words on it. Something on the back and then something also on the front. What do we have? NECA with a B in the middle? Looks kind of like brass to me. Maybe Phil. Attleboro. Robbins Company. Yeah, let's flip that up. R.O. Robbins, looks like. Attleboro. But yeah, that's definitely brass, you can see. See all the scratches on it? It's a nice looking pin. I wonder what this is, though. That is definitely one that maybe someone in the comments can tell me what that means. And if not, when we have a few spare cycles and are sitting at the computer, we'll have a look it up. That looks like a... Go that way. Go that way. I think that's a yoke, right? For like oxen. Put their head through it. So what kind of pin it is. It just looks like it's plate. So it's probably brass with gold plate on it. Interesting pin, though. Huh. Not sure what it means. We've already determined that one is not the stuff we're after. Let's grab this one right here. Honor League JHS, so I'm thinking junior high school. Interesting. 1964. Now, I tend to find, and this one is just also gold plate, I tend to find the older you go with these school pins, the more likely you are to find gold. And then the higher up in grades you go, so the more advanced like you've gone through school, generally the higher the likelihood of gold. So some of the high school pins are gold. Very rarely I see the junior high school pins are maybe silver with gold on them. And then when you get up into college, that's where you get the nice ones. Girls Branch PSAL. That sure looks like silver, maybe? I don't know, pewter? It's almost got a pewter look to it. But I have seen a lot of old silver with this kind of shine to it, so we'll have to test that one later, I think. As requested, I have ordered an acid test kit so we can actually just do some testing right in here as part of these videos. And we'll put that one up in our pile of stuff to get tested. Knights of Columbus. These are, I don't know, in my experience, maybe 30% of them end up being gold. This one does not look like gold. It's kind of got that sheen. If you've been watching my videos, you'll know that look of gold plate is very distinctive. And I will point it out to you a lot so that you can just be able to pick up on that. All right. No gold yet. Hopefully we're going to find some in here. There is a Freemason pin. That's a 32nd degree Scottish Rite. These are frequently gold. Definitely the older ones. This one is gold fill by the looks of it. Yeah, 1/10, 10 karat. You know, that might be the first gold fill one that I've seen that's actually marked as gold fill. Set that one up there. What do we have here? District NFSM, 1949. Piano playing, huh? Very much brass pin. This one you can tell isn't going to be gold right off because of the construction. This pin is not high quality and it's just kind of attached. Basically, if this thing were gold, the pin would be much better attached to it. What is it, maybe a band pin? DPT, Boston University, Sargent College. But yeah, you've got that very distinct gold plate look to it. Even though the front looks pretty good. It's maybe a very thick gold plate on that guy. What do we have here? Ooh, that's cool. Ah, come back. This pin does not want to stay in my hands. I don't know what this is, but I like it. I should probably hold it right side up. It's very Northern Hemisphere centric of me, isn't it? The interesting thing is, maybe this has something to do with the Atlantic or the date line. I don't know. Maybe we'll get some information on the back. Boy, that looks pretty... I wonder... Yeah. Gold plate. Cool, though. Little knight, looks like, on a horse. I'm not sure what's underneath. Screw back. Let's see if we can unscrew this guy. When these get screwed down a little too far, they can be hard to unscrew because they're made to stay in the clothing. My hands are just yeah, just brass or maybe plate. Yeah, plate. So the screwbacks are often an indication of higher quality, but they're not. I haven't found them to be much more likely to be gold than these other types of pinbacks. Try high Y. I want want to say this has something to do with the YMCA. I believe when I look these up, some of these are sterling on occasion, but I haven't found. Did I actually say something in there? Let me deploy off screen for a moment the loop. We'll just check. Nope, nothing in there. I don't know if we're going to find any precious metals in this that we know are precious for sure. We'll see. Well, this looks good. What do we got here? Very French. Somebody was very good at their French, apparently. And that is definitely a silver pin. You can see from the tarnish there. The way that tarnished up is absolutely silver. Sometimes I can indicate silver plate. I'll check it with a magnet, but I think this one's probably sterling. I'd be very surprised if it wasn't. What we got here? It looks like a dove above the globe. No information there. And definitely plate. Hit with the magnet. So, plate on brass, but... Oh. Is it that way? No. That way? I don't know. Okay. Let's see what we got here. American Legion, that just looks like a bit of brass with some plate on it. What is it? Fraternity, loyalty, trustworthiness? I want to say, is this the Oddfellows? Correct me if I'm wrong on that one. Looks like we just have some more plate here. CT. Looks like brass. Okay. A little bit of some leaves. Very cheap little pin. I don't know what that's all about. Maybe it was part of something else. All right, getting down to brass tacks. Hopefully, gold tacks. But I'm thinking probably not. LCF? LICF? A little fleur-de-lis, maybe something to do with French. Put that one aside. Maybe test it. Good luck. I needed this one at the beginning of the video. It's kind of an interesting color. A lot of tarnish on there. Interesting pin, too. I don't know that I've ever seen quite that arrangement. Doesn't look like it's gold. I don't think it is, but it's kind of an interesting little pin. Yeah, I think we got some verdigris right there. So, brass. All right. Last two. Let's check the Lifesaver Club. That is a cool motif. I think this is one of the pins that attracted me to this particular auction. But I do think that whoever put this auction together knew how to find gold. Because that's definitely not gold. Maybe gold fill or gold faced. Looks like it might be two different materials there, sandwiched on top of each other. And the last one. JHS Service 164. Man. Down at the bottom there. Yeah, looks like plate again. All right, that will round out our video. If you enjoy this kind of content, certainly let me know. I will make more videos like this. I will probably make more videos like this anyways, just because I enjoy them. But yeah, well, I think we got a couple pieces of sterling out of there. I'm pretty sure this one's sterling. I'm pretty sure this one's going to turn out to be sterling. Got a little bit of gold fill and a couple questionable things. Certainly should be fun to test them. If you did enjoy the video, make sure you smash that like button. And I hope you can use this information to go out and find yourself some treasure. Have a great day.